All right, friends, we are here, Mo Mummy at the Wynn. Wifey and I just had a crazy session on, it was in Regal Riches' Prosperity Pearl, and we tried to hit the bonus buy, like whatever it was, and we finally got it. You have to watch that video, we'll put that up too. But here we are, back to Mo Mummy, trying our best for something huge on this, right? This feels like, after playing that Prosperity Pearl for like 10 hours, it feels like, we literally were playing it for like 3 hours. 3 hours on, it's pretty much like Regal Riches. It just feels weird coming to a different machine now. We got major. Oh, okay, come on. Do it right away. Bam. Oh, wrong bam. Boom. Last one, top right. We want to hit a major jackpot on this too. Again, there's the major right there. Like we're doing on the World Series. Trying. Okay, keep going. Okay. Trigger. I'm triggered, that's for sure. That session was crazy. We were playing for 3 hours. People were stalking us. People were watching. Go, 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 go. 375. 150. We're gonna bounce around a little bit. But yeah, after that I feel like pretty drained. But we came to Mo Mummy. It's crazy when you come to Mo Mummy as like a decompressing, right? Come on, Mr. Mummy. Okay, let's go to Lucky 2 cents. He's saying some crazy things up there. What's he saying? Do-do-do. Some books. We're in the book club. Yeah, well, one of you would be nice. None of you is not nice. Keep going. No. Mr. Mummy was right up there. Let's move around a little bit. Now we're at 5 cents. Luckiest one. Come on, Mr. Mummy. Right there. There he is. Pop it, pop it. After playing that Regal Riches game for this long, this feels so weird.
It's more relaxing.
It's more relaxing in a weird way, yeah. We don't have to deal with the competition around us. Trying to poach the machine to see if we're, you know, not playing anymore on it. I don't know. Yeah, what is so good about the machine that they wanted to stay so bad? Yeah. You're right, maybe it was that. $3 one would be good, you know, if you can hit that. Oh.
Imagine we have to use double the money we did.
Yeah, oh, come on. Green. Green. Last time it tricked us so bad, it did green. Oh, it's free games. Green. Okay. Last time it tricked us so bad because it did green and we were like, yes. And then it was this gem and then the green again and we thought it was going to be cash collect. But it was not. Let's go. Something glorious. Cash collect to start. Oh, keep going. Whoa. What's going on over there? Oh, he just grew. How crazy would that have been to start, right? Just, I don't think I've ever got a natural pop like that on Come on. No, don't do that. Hello? Cash collect, please? Oh my goodness. I like the other game more than Mo Mummy. Can someone explain to me what just happened? That's $2. Oh yeah, $3, yeah. Way more than $2. When you get the cash, like, look at that major up there. It's so delightfully big. We actually rather get the jackpot feature, I think, in most cases now instead of the free games. Okay. If you get that jackpot feature, you have a chance at, you know, whatever, let's do a $5 bet, mix it up a little bit. At least give us a line hit, or one more $5 bet. Okay, please. It tricked us into one more. At least give us a line hit, no. Okay, do it now. All right, it tricked us into doing one more. It tricked us into doing many more, I should say. Nothing good came of it though, except until nothing. Oh, whoa, what just happened? That was only that much. Keep your free games to yourself, please. Okay, we'll take the free games actually. Do it. Yeah, we did because it owes us. They're both peeking tips. No one likes your peeking tips. Keep going. Okay. It's trying to give us exactly 2. We want more. Oh! There was 5 of it. That's the biggest one I've had so far. Now 2 perfect $5 bets. Right now. Really? Really? Now, here we go. Do it? Just do it. Okay, we'll be back. Another 100. All right, friends, we are back. Another 100 in, part 2. Let's just do something great right now. Bam. $5 bet again. Just please get it on a bigger bet. Bam. Free Games likes me. No, it doesn't. It likes to just tease us because it's like, here's a bonus. Just kidding. Here's $2. Do it. Do it. That major is really, really big up there, people. The grand? Yeah, it's only 8,500 though. Only. And it can only be triggered on the jackpot feature. Is what. Yeah. You can't hit the grand or anything else. No. The most that some of our friends in the comments are saying the most you can hit is the maxi, I think. Yeah, so. Oh, wow, double. It's just absolute max trickery, people. Yeah, that's my name, Mo Mummy. Don't wear it out, he's saying. Boom, boom, and then a good miss line hit. I know. Okay. One more where that top right king was would have been nice. Do it. I want a lookie. We're always so excited when that happens because it's always like cash collect and you think about it. So many are coming out, but none are hitting home. Yeah, there's 2 greens at the top with him. Oh, whoops. 2 fast spins in a row. So many. We want to see one more haywire, but not with free spins. Okay, here's a haywire. I just asked for it. Now please do the green. Green. Oh no. Green to give us a chance. Oh, okay, green. Okay. That's weird because it triggered it like that. I wonder if is it going to be bigger because it triggered it with 3, or is it going to be, I don't know. Let's just win all of our money back, please. There we go. We're still at the Wynn. It's still June. What day is it? Still June. Even though we've been here for like 5 hours. Yeah, it could be another day. It could be another month right now, that's for sure. Come on, cash collect first spin. No, cash collect second spin is fine. Cash collect, pop it. You have to do a cash collect. It can't beat us on these 2. Okay. Just drop a big one in. Oh, I thought that was in there. Now. Do. Wow. won't talk about that. I'm speechless, people. Go for it. Yeah. Oh, is that the one? You can do it again, make it happen. Your wifey has the magic touch right now. She has the Midas touch. Turn it to the gold, please. Turn it to gold one more time. Oh yeah. Oh, he was right there. Oh, do it. Oh, even like a small baby one. Yeah. This is so hard, Mr. Mummy. We asked him every single time, but we keep trying. Oh, he was right there. We got 2 haywires, and they were both for like 2x a bonus. Maybe we should. Okay. No haywires. Yes. Okay. More. Another one. Okay. Do the cash collect instead. Cash collect, because it could technically do both. It could do, yeah, because if you can trigger like this, or you can trigger with the other one. All right, people. This is the 3rd one of these. Let it be more than just, yeah. Let it be more than $7. Don't be unfair, Mr. Mummy. Cash collect. We triggered it naturally this time. Oh, he was right there. Cash collect. Or just like the biggest line hit in history in this game. Keep going. Oh, biggest line hit in history. Aha. Where the free game was. What is that smell of fire? A match, okay. I thought it was like the house was burning now. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Okay, I'm not gonna push anything, and you know, last time I didn't push anything, it gave us cash collect. So let's see. It's thinking. It's thinking. This. All right. Come on, cash collect. Last spin. Make this magnificent. We have 3 of these, right? After that Regal Riches session, whatever, Prosperous Pearl, it always does. Oh god. Pop that though. Not even, yeah, this is the biggest win. It's been less than 10x. Okay, and then it has to pause at the end too again. I mean, by theory of relativity or anything, it can't be another cash collect if we get a bonus again, right? It'll show me, you're right. But right now, show me. Show me the money. Show me the meaning of being lonely. Okay. So far, this 5-cent, 250 bet has done things, but nothing really that great. Okay. Why did he just make a little laugh up there? He just made a weird little laugh up there. Did you hear him? Okay, Mr. Mummy. Oh yeah, something at least. Oh, for the chance. Oh, did we get it? Oh, I thought it lit up. Sadness. Sadness and despair. Until? No. Sadness and despair. Until? Like, we can't get a cash collect again, can we? It can give us definitely nothing again. Not even a cash collect to get like a 10x. He does, you're right. Is that for what reason? Oh, he was up there again. Wow. Free spin. So it sounds like. We need another haywire here. Not in the stand-up variety. Okay. Do it. Nope.
So you want jackpot?
No, I want cash collect or jackpot, yeah. Because free games is like so hard to win on, yeah. Do one of you, just as I asked. Okay, well that one's like mighty full now, right? Oh, they got a cash. Two more, one more, yeah. One of you, none of you. I would just like to win my money back, that's it. I'm not asking for much, just how much I put in. Yeah, that helps. Yeah? No? Okay. How do you get 3 bonuses and, I mean, I know how. You're still down. Oh, until last spin, best spin? No. Okay, last spin, no spin.
If you get it on this one, I don't even know.
Yeah, I mean, it can happen right here. There we go. So you get at least a chance. Nope, no chance. All right, we have 3 bonuses and all 3 of them were absolute sadness. So thanks for nothing, Mr. Mummy. And we'll be back in the next one, trying to reclaim vengeance. Bye-bye.